Every meal begins in the fields, where farmers grow the crops that feed the world. Healthy crops rely on quality fertilizers, produced through precision and efficient material handling. StratGem's pneumatic conveying systems ensure safe, enclosed, and dust-free transfer of fertilizer materials like KCl powder and SOP from raw material feeding through processing to final packaging. Our systems reduce dust, minimize product loss, and keep production running efficiently with consistent quality. Every efficient transfer helps deliver quality nutrients that support healthier crops and better yields. At StratGem, we engineer reliable solutions that support agriculture and help feed the world one transfer at a time. StratGem, engineering innovation that feeds the world.